Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce freelance overhead with Fiverr, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce freelance overhead using Fiverr, start by visiting the Fiverr website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Take a moment to explore the platform and understand its features. Identify the services you frequently require to complete your projects. Make a list of these services for easier reference. Use the search bar to find specific freelancers offering the services you need. Filter your search results based on budget, delivery time, and seller level. Review the profiles of different freelancers carefully. Look for those with high ratings and positive reviews. Pay attention to their portfolios to assess the quality of their work. Once you find a suitable freelancer, check their gig packages. Compare the pricing and included services across different gigs. Select the package that best fits your budget and requirements. Before placing an order, read the gig description thoroughly. Make sure the freelancer can meet your deadlines and project specifications. Ask any questions you may have through the platform's messaging system. Once you're satisfied, proceed to order the gig. After placing the order, provide any necessary details or materials requested. Track the progress of your order through your Fiverr account. Once the work is delivered, review it to ensure it meets your expectations. If revisions are needed, communicate clearly with the freelancer. Upon acceptance of the final work, complete the transaction. Leave feedback based on your experience to help others in the community. Repeat this process whenever you need freelance services to efficiently manage overhead costs. By leveraging Fiverr, you can effectively reduce your freelance expenses while maintaining quality in your work. With practice, you'll quickly become adept at navigating the platform to suit your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.